Welcome back to Innovin Recipes. Today we are turning a humble ingredient into a soft, chewy and delicious sweet treat, rice barfi, with minimal ingredients and no fancy tools. Let's get started. First take 1 cup of rice. Roast it in a pan on low flame, stirring continuously. Roast for 7 to 8 minutes. Roast until it changes the color. Rice is one of the oldest grain cultivated over 9,000 years ago. Let it cool, then blend the rice into a fine flour. Now in a pan, take half cup sugar and 1 tablespoon of water. Let the sugar melt completely. Cook until it turns lightly caramelized, a golden syrup texture. Don't overcook the sugar, a light golden color is perfect. Pour in 1 cup of milk and stir it well. Now add the rice flour gradually, stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee and continue cooking until the mixture thickens and starts separating from the pan. Add ghee only after the mixture thickens a little for a smooth texture. Rice is gluten-free and easy on digestion. Ghee supports better absorption of nutrients. Grease a plate with a little oil and spread the mixture evenly. This barfi doesn't use any maida or artificial flavors, just simple ingredients. Barfi comes from the Persian word barf, meaning snow. Sprinkle some melon seeds on top for a nutty crunch. Homemade sweets are free from preservative and artificial colors. Melon seeds are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and minerals. Let it rest for about 1 hour to set fully, then cut into pieces. Your rice barfi is ready to enjoy. In Bengal, rice sweets are a traditional part of every celebration. What's your favorite traditional homemade dessert? Would you like to see a chocolate version of this barfi? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share your result if you try this recipe. Thank you for watching Innovin Recipes. This soft and flavorful rice barfi is a perfect dessert for any festival or just a sweet cravings at home. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We'll see you again soon with another simple and tasty recipe. Happy cooking!